Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy S22. If you're using Samsung Galaxy S22 and now you want to make a hard reset to your device, so let's see how can I do this. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to any PC or any other Samsung device via cable just like this, and after that you just have to make a simple setup. You can easily do this on your lock screen or home screen on which you want. And I'm going to start the setup from my home screen. So you just have to press volume down and power button at the same time until your screen goes black, and then shift your volume down to volume up and wait for the Samsung logo. So let's do this. You just have to press volume down and the power button at the same time and wait for until your screen goes fully black. Just wait for it. It will take a while. It might be take 5, 10 or 15 seconds. You just have to wait, then shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo just like this. Now release all buttons and it will take you to the BIOS of your phone just like this. It will take this type setup you must have to do, and here your touch mode where you have to need to use these three buttons: volume up to go down, volume up to go up, and volume down to go down, and then press the power button for selection. So let's see what we have to do. First of all, you just have to look for wipe data or factory reset here. Just look for this option and then press your power button here, then select factory data reset here, then press power button, and here the option of reboot system. Now you must have to select it and then press your power button here. In this way you can easily make a hard reset to your phone. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have a backup of your data, because it will remove everything from your phone. It might be photos, videos, apps, and much more. So you just have to need to make a backup, and after that, after doing the hard reset, you can easily make a fresh new startup to your device. So that's how you can easily make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy S22. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.